party! Are you ready for the Chinese New Year party tonight?
Give me a minute. I got you, bro. Come on, let's go.
Go!
There are three things we need to do: goods, people, and blessing. First of all, goods.
Whoa. Do you think it's big enough? Hey. All right, we're all set. Let's go home, cook some food. This fish is going to be the main course. Yeah, run!
Of course, I will never forget my friends.
Let's start the party! Oh, right. Yep. Cheers!
Last but not least, blessings!
The new year is a time for sharing with family and friends, enjoying each other's companionship and wishing everybody a happy and fortuitous new year.